What's up, hardcore gamers? We have an awesome product here for you today. The Tartarus by Razer. This is hands down my favorite peripheral in my arsenal. Whether I'm playing an MMORPG, real-time strategy, or even a first-person shooter, this is my go-to. This makes me absolutely better at every game I play. With the awesome wrist support, you can play for hours. Don't have to worry about carpal tunnel. It's got great keys with haptic feedback, mechanical. You can map any macro you want to these keys any way you want. When you hit that key, you're going to know you got that kill shot off. The RGB blends in seamlessly with your headset, your mouse, your keyboard. It looks great. Razer Chroma is absolutely flawless. I 100% recommend the Razer Tartarus. Pick one up today.
Go potty, Lucas. I'm holding it. Go potty.
Look at this. This is a 3 and 3. Here, continue, and no touch anything.
Keys work fine. It's the stick that will never stay constant on the left pull. Up, down, right, but no left.
Se puede ajustar.